it look away. So me just ask you, your papi ever fuck one simple? How you tell me say you can't tell fuck?
No, you
How you tell
asked
me say you can't tell fuck? I ain't feel a way if you tell me that. So where you hide?
Everybody know that. Everybody know that.
Oh, but everybody don't know you fuck popcorn.
Because they don't know if I did or not.
Me know you fuck him.
Okay, then that's how you feel. You know.
No. All I feel
You know
me
my
know.
life. What the? You know my life. What
Me know.
calling dirty?
Eh?
Who your mans is calling dirty?
Your mans, me know the mans. We are
Who's in the background? Like nobody heard him.
Now somebody call my phone and I cuss me say, man, me get in trouble. So me I tell them say, I can't get in trouble. So I did me matter, not you. New York.
What's up? Speak to me nice.
You find the text?
Yeah, I found it.
Let me see.
I took a picture of it from the phone that you're on.
Yeah, but you can't send it to that phone now, because I can't look on it.
That's why I'm gonna read it to you.
Alright, read it for me. Let me hear.
So I didn't even get the first part. I think the first part he said hello, and I wrote mad question marks. I said, I've been calling you all day, all evening. He said, whatever. I said, really? He said, you called me at 9:30 a.m. I said, I called you so many times, Andre. All day, all evening, I'm flying now. I even messaged you. He said, this what he said. By the way, how you just eat random girls' pussy and just kiss up on random niggas? Not even local strippers do that. That's what he said to me.
Yeah.
I said, okay. And then he says, I said, okay. I said, okay, I said, I did that. That is something, what was it? I simulated that.
Read the text them good now, man.
I said, I simulated that, but fine, Dre. He said, LOL. I said, I'm flying. He said, you was just playing then. Okay, safe flight. I said, I knew I wasn't going to see you, and you always complain every time I come to Jamaica. He says, LOL. Take some pride in yourself, and I'm not complaining. I'm telling you the truth. I said, bro, there's a lot of pride in me, as we both know. If you felt my entertainment was too much, that's on you. That was the last thing we said. That was the last thing we texted.
So, yesterday, when you called him, he not text you from that?
No, he didn't text me, because he know what I said, and he know I ain't say it.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
I texted him that. I said, like, if you had a problem with it, that's on you. That's not on me. I could care less. You like my show or not. That's with anybody in the world. Because somebody else is out there that's going to like it. So, I don't care.
So you think, say, I'm jealous of my cousin if you say that?
Why? Why would you be jealous?
Yeah, but probably you don't know, like me. Even when me have my outside girl them, girl let me just have sex with.
Live in the building. Go ahead,
I'm see them with next man, me kind of feel away more time. Even though me know that my girl. You understand what I'm saying?
But I don't know why we not together. We're not fucking, like, I don't understand. Why probably because I'm his friend and we close, but if you had a problem from a long time ago, why wait till after I perform for you to say that when you know this is something that I do?
But you're not understand what I'm saying.
Go ahead.
You see, pum pum is a very powerful thing, you know.
We all know that.
See?
Uh-huh.
So, probably, you not think nothing of it for a long time, but when him see all the wine and you get thicker, remember you get thicker now, your breast them fatter now, see? Your rounder now, your teeth them do now, you know, the smile look brighter now, and everything. So, probably when him see up on the stage and go out with your thing, some little feelings touching, you see me? And him say, John, you know, say that girl never so bad. I'm going to have it up. So him just attack all time feelings, but you know not think that's not because you just know say, yo, a long time and him know me thing and know say, me do me thing and so him should even have said that to me, but you don't know where I go on with him.
Right, you right.
You understand what I say? So, although probably a long time, yeah, Mr. Sutherland no go on nothing, but in a feel himself, he must say, yo, blood clot, that girl, yeah. Me I tell So, I know like, we are cuss you, who the fuck you? But we just nah wife you. You understand me, I say? But I laugh. Me serious, me not. And 90% of the man them from the life must agree with me, say, fuck New Year. Eh? Like it's saying, who the fuck you, but you're sexy. You see me? So, you have to understand that. So, probably when Papi see her go on bad now, upgrade. It's like Charles see Jody Couture now and I'm mad. See? It's like Charles see Jody Couture now and I'm mad. But Jody Couture did a mad over him for a long time. See? And him the law wicked. Him the law good and him the law wicked. So now, Jody think dance sky high now. Jody a superstar now and she extra act now. Charlie, so fuck it right now. You see me? And Jody I said, no, me I get to the back, me not have time to that. A whole story that, see? So, me feel say, and that reached the unruly boss. See? And the unruly boss see her go and bad and split and see her stimulate a girl crutches and them thing there. Because unruly boss I say, yo, I'm my with her mouth for the party, what she do? I remember say, yeah, remember say.
I hate you. But I feel you lost no more. I get you.
But watch this now, mama. You have to remember say, unruly boss, a part of the rest of them now and not look at things so. Him spiritually different. If you listen to the song, them women sing and thing, you know? Him thing different, so I don't like probably them time there, him not had a problem with you do that. But him do a spirit change, you know. You know, him and Colin see them apart and you know, a different things, eh? So him go down and say, yo, him a try tell you say, change up your thing, cause he what him want to do now. Him now want cut it off. Him would like running back for the pum pum, you see me? But him now want you do them thing they know, then people go see her and him and start running. You understand what I say, New York? What do you understand what I say?
I think
yes, so
I don't view it that way. I don't view it that way because I don't.
yeah, because you come from a different culture. Yeah, so him a preach the way that like him and say, yo, blood clot, me can't hot, you know. But me can't roll with it. He can't show you in the range right now and try video with the top down, talk to the thing them where you are going with. So that's why him a text and I try to say, yo, you know, respect yourself, man. Stop, do them things, them, man. Can really and truly, he want a couple more folk. You understand what I say? You get what I say? So you don't feel like you don't feel like you want more. Look how you get hot. Look, you don't feel like you want more. Eh?
I'm not your son.
No, me I can't say it. Gonna natural. Look by yourself. Look by yourself. And the upgrade where you do.
But I don't know. Who wouldn't want?
Yeah, must want two more fuck out of the pussy the car. You get attacked. Your boyfriend pay for your body and pay for your breast. And Papi is saying,
never done. My butt was never.
oh, sorry. Your breast, sorry, and your teeth. Your breast and your teeth. Sorry, mama. Sorry. So we can't blame Papi if you want two more fuck out of your world. I just saw life go. But him now want par with you when you do them something there. Alright, you still like Marvin, suck out your tongue for Instagram. You think say Cartel or Papi or none of man them in the front already gonna do that? Them nah do that. That's why I tell you say Marvin brave. What? Them now kiss you no Instagram live like you see Marvin. I suck out your tongue for Instagram live. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? Them not do that.
But who cares?
You not listen to me, I say, and I use to care. Me I tell you, say, that wouldn't happen. So when you see certain action, you have to know so the man them are hold them pride and them prestige, you understand? That's why Papi I tell you, say, have something about yourself and stop the way you do. Because he would have like running back on the pussy. But you behave so bad.
He got a girlfriend.
Oh, Papi?
He has a girlfriend.